For Style Coalition here on the first day of New York Fashion Week, Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week with Fer Mullis, the founder. So you must have a crazy day today. Tell us.
It's been an eventful first day. We've had a lot of great shows. We're glad the weather cleared up, and it's been terrific. We only had some really sad news about Alexander McQueen today, which was a real unfortunate situation. But otherwise, it was great, and the red dress just now was so much fun and so terrific.
So tell us, I know we just started this week, but tell us about the move to Lincoln Center and, the last season in Bryant Park. How does it feel?
Well, it's the last season here, and after almost 18 years in Bryant Park, and this has been home for us for so long. 35 seasons here. We're all happy here and comfortable, but if it's time to change, it's time to change, and we're going to do it and make it great and make it work over at Damrosch Park.
Do you think there will be any major changes with the move?
Well, every change is major. So, we're not changing the way people do runway shows. That we still know what works and what they want, but this is designed to fit in the space we are here, and there are other things there that will make us redesign it slightly differently, but we hope to still be providing the great platform for American and world-class designers who want to show here.
Will you have any digital integrations, any technology that will support the new age?
We're not prepared to talk about all of that yet.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us, and have a great fashion.
Thank you.